the first time I was in front of an orchestra, hearing my own music. It's like, I want to do this. In the course of this masterclass, I'm going to tell you from my perspective how I do these things. We're going to talk about instrumentation. We're going to talk about orchestration. We're going to talk about melody. We're going to talk about a tone. The most important thing you're going to capture in a film score is going to be the tone. One more time. Hearing the downbeat, boom. When somebody starts talking about this should be in such and such a key because such a key feels that way, that's bullshit. You can turn any key into anything you want. I use a device called Axe Effects, changing the size of the amp, changing the size of the speaker, distortion, overdrive, all night long, tweaking knobs. If you're able to find something that stands out as an original thing, you are going to find a fast ticket to getting yourself more work. After 100 and something films, I'm constantly insecure. But here's the hitch. It's okay to fail, to feel insecure, doubting yourself, finding confidence and moving forward, and then doubting what you've just done. I think this is the life of a composer, and I think it's the life of an artist. If you're really gonna succeed, there's no other way but by doing, making mistakes, and then learning from those mistakes and moving on. If you take the time and you learn it, I promise you it'll serve you well. I'm Danny Elfman, and this is my masterclass.